All right, so I know that I'm late in reviewing this product. I know it's been out for a while, but I usually don't like to get these kind of products. They're expensive, and I don't like to get them right away. I usually wait, but I heard a lot of guys saying like, man, you gotta get this tool. Man, you gotta get this tool. A lot of other installers were talking about it, and so had to get it. Here's my 2 cents.
Whoa. No way that worked that easily.
It ended up being a little too tight, but that was my fault because I stubbed out that copper too much.
I'd say that's a win. That looks pretty nice.
See, when I do it again, this time I don't stub that 3/8 copper too much, and it ends up coming out perfect. So this is gonna save you a lot of time when you have those multi-zone systems, those multi-ductless mini-split systems, because it takes up too much time flaring these things by hand, and then sometimes you don't get it exactly right. You gotta flare it again. It's a lot of wear and tear. I'm getting older, so I need tools like this to conserve my wrist, and
Just pushed it once.
the arthritis is starting to kick in, you know. So gotta get these
Apparently
tools.
it's doing the rest by itself.
So after making my flare, I always like to check it with this flare sizing gauge,
3/8.
and they're really cheap, and they'll give you peace of mind knowing that you didn't make it too big or
I'd
too
say
small. It has to stop in the
that's
middle, so if it stops in the middle, you know you got a perfect flare.
All right.
A winner in my book.